Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using Keepa for the past few weeks, and honestly, it completely changed the way I look at Amazon products. Instead of relying on gut feelings or surface-level stats, I started seeing patterns and trends that actually explain why products sell the way they do. At first, I just wanted a way to check price history and figure out when to buy stuff cheaper. But once I started digging in, I realized this tool is a goldmine for Amazon sellers like me who want real data instead of just guessing what might sell. So basically, Keepa tracks the price history of almost any product on Amazon. It works both as a website and as a browser extension, which makes it really flexible depending on how you like to work. Once you install it, you'll start seeing these colorful charts right under product listings, without needing to click into another tool. It shows how prices moved over time, when Amazon went out of stock, how often the buy box changed, all the stuff you never notice until you need it, especially when you're trying to avoid bad buys or unstable listings. Now, when I started using it, I mainly used the Chrome extension. It took me less than 10 minutes to set up, and it just quietly sat there while I browsed Amazon like normal. But soon, I found myself diving into features like the product finder and the deal section, which really open up the research side of things once you're past the basics. Product Finder lets you filter billions of Amazon listings based on your own criteria: sales rank, ratings, price drops, even historical trends. This is huge if you're trying to find products that fit specific margins or demand levels. It felt a bit overwhelming at first because there are so many filters, but once I figured it out, I could literally pinpoint products that fit my sourcing goals perfectly instead of scrolling endlessly through random listings. One of my favorite things is the tracking feature. You can tell Keepa to watch an item and alert you when the price drops, which is great for timing purchases instead of buying too early. I even used it for my personal shopping. Saved money on a few gadgets that went on sale weeks later. For sellers, this is also useful for watching competitors or waiting for profitable entry points. What I liked most is how visual and easy it becomes once you get used to the graphs. You don't need to be a data expert to understand what's going on. The charts just tell the story for you, whether a price is stable, manipulated, or constantly crashing, which makes decision-making much faster and more confident. On the flip side, it's not all perfect. The free version is super limited. You can only search or upload a few aces, which is fine for testing and getting a feel for the platform. But if you're serious about selling, you'll need the paid plan. It's around €19 per month, which is roughly $21. And while it's worth it for the data you get, I wish they offered a lighter middle plan for beginners who are just starting out. Also, the interface can feel a little busy when you first open it, like too many buttons, filters, and data points all at once. That initial learning curve can feel intimidating, but honestly, after a few days, you get the hang of it and start realizing just how powerful it really is once everything clicks. Overall, I'd say Keepa is one of those tools that quietly becomes part of your daily routine. If you sell on Amazon, if you care about timing your purchases, understanding product trends, or doing Amazon to Amazon flips, this is absolutely worth it and can save you from a lot of costly mistakes. I'm definitely going to keep using it. It saves me time, money, and guesswork, which is exactly what you want as a seller. So this is my Keepa review. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more honest tool reviews like this.